Hey there and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at Magic Grab tool in Canva. You can access it from the Magic Studio tab. The Magic Grab tool in Canva is a smart AI selection tool that allows you to click and isolate parts of an image. It uses AI to detect and separate objects in an image from their backgrounds, making it simple to resize, change the position, or even remove items within your design. This tool is especially helpful for editing photos. No detailed cutting or masking skills required. So let's take a look at an example of how this works. Upload a photo into your design space. With your photo highlighted, move up to the toolbar here and click Edit. This opens the Image tab at the left side. Here you will see Magic Studio. The third icon in is Magic Grab. Go ahead and click on it. The tab will switch to Select Object to grab, giving you the choice of using either brush or click to grab. It defaults on click. You can hold the Shift key to select additional parts from the photo you want to grab. Once you have clicked on all the pieces of the photo, click on Grab and let it do its magic. Initially, you'll see your original photo, now outlined with a highlighted box around the items you grabbed. You can reposition the selection. And if you click Position in the toolbar, then Layers in the Position tab, you'll see two separate layers, your grabbed image and the rest of the photo. You're not limited to grabbing just one item per photo. Return to the photo layer to grab additional objects. Each new grab will create another layer with a transparent background. With the Magic Grab tool, you can resize and move isolated items within the photo, giving you the freedom to completely rearrange elements from the original. It's yet another fantastic Canva tool worth exploring. The creative possibilities are endless. Play around with it and see what you can come up with. That's the Grab tool. If you found this content helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.